The Honda Rebel 1100 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement of power, style, and freedom that appeals to riders who crave performance with comfort. Built with a sleek, minimalist design that turns heads everywhere it goes, the Rebel 1100 combines modern technology with raw muscle. Its aggressive yet approachable styling makes it stand out. Whether you're cruising through the city streets or stretching out on long open highways, Honda engineered this machine for riders who demand both performance and personality in one package, making it one of the most sought-after cruisers in its class. Under the hood, the Rebel 1100 carries a liquid-cooled 1084cc parallel twin engine that delivers smooth, consistent power at any speed. Inspired by Honda's Africa Twin, this engine is tuned perfectly for both thrilling acceleration and steady cruising. The dual-clutch transmission option gives riders seamless gear changes without effort, while the traditional manual transmission keeps things classic for purists. With ride modes like Standard, Sport, Rain, and customizable user mode, the Rebel adapts to your riding mood instantly, giving you control and confidence across different terrains and conditions. Comfort meets capability in a way few cruisers can offer. The low seat height makes it accessible to riders of all sizes, while the upright riding position reduces fatigue on longer journeys. Suspension components are tuned to handle rough roads with ease, and the lightweight frame improves maneuverability without sacrificing stability. Whether weaving through traffic or leaning into curves, the Rebel 1100 provides an experience that feels intuitive and balanced. Every element is designed to inspire confidence, making it equally attractive for new riders, stepping up, and experienced riders looking for something versatile. Technology and practicality round out the Rebel 1100's appeal. A modern LCD display keeps key information visible at a glance, while features like cruise control and throttle by-wire bring convenience to everyday rides. The bike's overall efficiency ensures fewer stops at the pump, while its durable build promises reliability for years to come. With an unbeatable mix of performance, comfort, and advanced features, the Honda Rebel 1100 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a lifestyle companion, ready to take on any adventure you imagine.